Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the online class. Hope you are just going good with your online class. Yesterday we had discussed about noun and its types, in which we have completed three types of noun. We'll just take a quick recap of what is noun and what are the types of noun, and in that we will see three types of noun which we have discussed earlier. So, what is noun? Noun is the name of person, place, animal, or thing. What are the types of noun? The types of noun are common noun, proper noun, countable noun, uncountable noun, concrete noun, and at last abstract noun. In which we have seen common noun. What is that common noun? So, what is common noun? The common noun is the name of people, place, things in general. We don't take their name specially. We don't specify their name. It refers to the class or type of person or thing without being specific. Example: girl, city, animal, house, fruit, etc. We don't take their name specific. So we'll go through the next one is proper noun. So proper noun is used to name a specific. It is opposite of common noun. In common noun we take all the names in general, but in proper noun we will take a specific name of a person, place or thing. Like there was girl. We take girl in general, but in proper noun we'll take the name Tanya. In common noun we will take city, but in proper noun we will take the name London. Means we are specifying the name. That is known as proper noun. Similarly, we say fruit in general, but when we are taking the name of the fruit like apple, we are specifying the name. So it is known as proper noun. Now the next one is countable noun. Yes, countable noun means the nouns which can be counted and can be used as singular or in plural form. Means we can say one chair, one car, two cars, one book, two books. We can count these all the things, है like car, desk, cup, house, bike, etc. We can count them, whether it is one or thousands. We can count them. The countable noun are the nouns which can be counted and can be used as singular or in plural forms. Now we'll go through the another one, uncountable noun. Yes. What is this uncountable noun? Uncountable noun are nouns which cannot be counted. Which cannot be counted. They are also called mass noun. Okay, they are also called mass noun and refer to the substances, liquid and abstract ideas. Uncountable noun are nouns that cannot be counted. For example, you cannot count the rain because you don't say one rain or two rains. Not, no, it is not possible. So rain is an uncountable noun. Cheese. Cheese is also an uncountable noun because you can't count cheese in English. You can count the slices of the cheese. Okay. Some examples of uncountable noun are oil, plastic, air, milk, happiness. You cannot count the oil. You can count the drop of the oil, but you can't count the oil. As we have seen, they are uncountable noun. They only refers to the substances, liquid and abstract ideas which cannot be counted. Uncountable noun often refers to abstract ideas like happiness, time, information. You cannot count happiness. You cannot say one happiness, two happiness. Oh, look, I have three happiness. This is not possible. So happiness is an abstract ideas as well as uncountable noun. Example of uncountable noun, it is clear that oil, plastic, air, milk, happiness that cannot be counted. The nouns which are that cannot be counted, that are called uncountable noun. Now the next one is concrete noun. Concrete nouns are those nouns that can be touched or seen, or it can be feel, hear, smell. These all the things. The nouns which can be touched or seen, or it can be means you can see, touch, hear, smell, or taste it. Some examples of concrete noun are table, elephant, hammer, school, park, pencil, moon, sock, dog, tree, apple, etc. Dog is a concrete noun as you can see, hear, or touch a dog. Table. Table also is a concrete noun. You can see, touch. Pencil. Pencil is also a concrete noun as you can similarly you can touch it, see it. Sock is a concrete noun as you can smell a sock or touch a sock. Another example of concrete noun we can say frog. Frog is a concrete noun. You can see, touch or hear a frog. Eating items, for example, hamburger. Hamburger is a concrete noun as we can taste or smell. Flower. Flower is also a concrete noun as you can smell, see a flower. It is physically exist. The things which is physically exist, they are known. They are said to be concrete noun. Okay. Now we'll go through the another one, the last type of. So after concrete noun, we are going to see abstract noun. It is just opposite of concrete noun, where concrete noun can be touched, can be hear, can be smell, can be taste. But abstract noun that cannot be felt by the five senses, they refers to ideas, emotion and concepts. You can see, you cannot see, touch, hear or smell it. For example, love, time, fear, freedom, luck. For example, love, time, fear, freedom, luck, etc. Where love is a feeling, fear is an emotion, and luck is a concept. They do not have physical existence. They do not have physical existence. They can be felt. They can be felt by us. They are only an imaginable thing. We cannot touch it. We cannot hear it. We cannot smell it, or we cannot taste it. So look to the other example so another example like time is you cannot touch or smell or taste the time. It is a concept that exists that does not have physical form or physically existence. So time is an abstract noun. So abstract noun is noun which cannot be felt by the five senses, but we can imagine it, we can feel it. Okay, like happiness, joyful, we can like feel it. We cannot touch the happiness, we can only uh, imagine it. So this is all about the noun and its types of noun. About we have seen common noun, proper noun, countable noun, uncountable noun, concrete and abstract noun. I have given all the exercises. I have given some assignments over it. Go through that, understand it, what it means, understand, find out properly. And I would say in proper noun, it is easy to find about proper noun. For example, it is only written in capital letter. It cannot be started from a small letter. It can only be started from capital letter. So it is easy to identify which is proper noun and which is common noun. Okay. Similarly, countable and uncountable noun. Countable means that can be counted, and in uncountable noun that cannot be counted. Similarly, concrete and abstract noun. Concrete, we can see it, smell it, all the five senses can work here. But in abstract noun, all the five senses cannot, we cannot feel anything by our five senses. We can only feel it. Okay, so do go with the assignments properly. Do your so next Friday we're gonna see another parts of speech, and another parts of speech we will discuss about pronoun next Friday. So this is all about noun. Go through all the assignments, understand it properly, and especially study this all the definitions with examples. So that it will be very clear for you to identify which type of noun it is there in the sentences. Have a nice day.